Neighborhood Health Watch is sponsored by the doctors of HCA Virginia.
Today in Neighborhood Health Watch, a new treatment for prostate enlargement. A man's prostate gland usually starts to enlarge after he reaches age 40. It's considered a natural process of aging. Many men with enlarged prostate have no signs or symptoms. Those who do experience symptoms experience difficulty starting urination and a desire to urinate, especially at night, blood in the urine, among other symptoms. Dr. Eugene Kramolowsky with Retreat Hospital is here to get us informed. Thanks a lot for joining us again.
Thank you.
Let's start out with you describing the prostate gland and its function.
Prostate gland is the gland of reproduction. It makes the fluid that comes out of men when they want to reproduce. And it's lined up on the urethra, the passageway that carries the urine, and therefore most of the symptoms of enlargement of the prostate are due to urinary symptoms: frequency, urgency, inability to empty their bladder. And these symptoms become very disgruntling for the men as they get older, that it's harder and harder for them to get their urine out.
At what point should a man call a doctor?
Well, definitely call a doctor if you can't get any urine out at all. And before that, it's mostly based on the symptoms and how much getting up at night bothers you. If you're getting up 3 or 4 times at night, then that's probably time to go see the doctor.
And there's a new treatment option out there being offered by Retreat Hospital. Tell us about that.
Retreat Hospital is involved in an FDA study, as well as Virginia Urology, with water pressure, using water pressure to open up the prostate. The traditional surgeries have been to open up the prostate so the urine can flow easier, since it blocks up the passageway. And this is done using lasers or electrosurgery, which actually causes a burn. Mm-hmm. Some very smart engineers in California, a lot of smart people in California, thought that they could do it with water pressure. And it's very similar to water pressure and using water pressure to wash your house. And so you put the pressure on the house, and if you get too close, you knock the siding off, right? If you get too far away, you're just watering the grass. So this procedure, they figured out a robot will actually adjust the pressure of this machine as it's knocking the prostate tissue loose to do no harm to anything but the prostate tissue.
Is everyone a candidate for this treatment?
Well, obviously men with enlarged prostates are the candidate. They have many options, and this is one of the options, but it's a very intriguing option because water does less damage than the burn, so theoretically it should heal better. Like I said, it's still in trial, and we don't know all the answers just yet.
And what's that called again?
It's called Aqua Ablation. Clever name.
It is, absolutely. Well, thanks a lot for getting us all informed. We appreciate you being here.